Hey, this is Jack with Austin Living Landscapes here at one of my properties in Barton Creek. Today I want to show you one of the reasons that we planted some of the plants that we did and give you a little bit of design background, kind of a peek behind the curtain on the landscape side of things. All right, so one of the things I like to implement in my designs is there's a few different principles of design. So there's line, color, form, and texture. And so thinking of these things, I just wanted to kind of show what goes in the thought process of this. So we have these wonderful lines of this retaining wall that's sort of drawing all the way around the property. And then you've got these nice architectural features of these yucca stratas that just create some form and rhythm throughout the design. And then we have colors, so we have these chartreuse colored greens and then the light blue of the mist flower that sort of accents against the red, so it really helps these two kind of pop and play together. And then we have some subtle white, the white guara that work together as well. So with this entrance, you can kind of see the rhythm of the reds every 2 or 3 different plants, to where you end up getting this color scheme going of the reds and then the light blues, and then even bookending down with the white guaras down at the end. So you end up kind of encompassing all the different things of the line, color, form, and texture, to where there really is some thought behind what we're doing, rather than just taking a dozen different plans and just throwing them in, seeing what works. Hey, this is Jack with Austin Living Landscapes. Thanks again so much for stopping by. If you are interested in having a custom landscape design done, please visit our website, austinlivinglandscapes.com. Give us a call. We'd love to meet with you on your property and talk about how we can create a sacred space for you.